In the dark times of coronavirus, could you perhaps make some money with Gilead Sciences? I thought I'd talk a little bit about investing during the time of the pandemic, because while there mostly have been losers, perhaps you, your friends, family, whomever who's struggled during not being able to get into work or whatever it is that you've struggled with in these recent months, there are companies that may do very well with coming up with treatments or possible vaccine cures. One of the companies on everybody's radar is Gilead Sciences. And why is that? Because they have one of the treatment drugs popular on the market today, used in hospitals in the United States and around the world, called remdesivir. And what does that drug do? It's a treatment. It's not the vaccine. It's not the cure. It doesn't save you from the coronavirus, from COVID-19, but it does improve your chances of survival. Why is this particular drug so talked about in the market today? It's talked about in the market today because the United States bought up about 80% of the global inventory to use for its citizens during the coming months when people will need treatments. This is a medicine, quite an expensive medicine, that is used with acute care patients in intensive care in hospitals. You would think with a drug like that, so talked about in the market, that Gilead would be on top of the world. At least its share price might be on top of the world. But it's done well, but it hasn't done well always in the last 4 or 5 years. You can see where it was up here at around $120, $130 a share, and then came way down here into the 30s and in the 40s. So it was quite a drop. Why is it? Because the antiviral medicines that they have in their portfolio, some of them are coming off patent, means other people can compete and make them or make them at a lower price. Today, you see Gilead services at about $74 a share. That's up from about $40, $45 a share, and that's on the strength of the news that this drug has had some success, not complete success, in clinical trials. Does that mean Gilead Sciences belongs directly in your stock portfolio? It might. I could see them doing very well with this particular drug in the coming, not just months, coming years. It's a drug that has shown promise, has shown efficacy in helping to treat acute care patients. And Gilead is not all that expensive compared to other similar pharmaceutical antiviral companies. Trades about 20 times a share, and the company has the ability to capitalize on this opportunity. What's the reason not to invest in Gilead Sciences? Let's put it this way. There are about 125 companies today that in some ways are chasing the dream of a vaccine for the coronavirus. Gilead may have a piece of that pie, it may not. It may just be more on the treatment side, not on the vaccine side. So none of us can sit here today and say this company, that company will be the winner. And you'll see headlines coming up and saying, gee, they have a chance to kind of have the cure-all, the magic pill, magic injection, whatever it is, in the time of the virus. Be very careful. I would say if you want to invest in a company or companies that would do well in terms of coming up with a vaccine, I would favor more of a basket, of a medical pharmaceutical basket of say 20 or 30 companies. It will lower your upside, but it will give you a wider appreciation. Gilead could well be in your basket of pharmaceutical, biomedical companies. That's all the time we have today on The Investment Advisor. I'm your host, Matthew Stevenson, in partnership with Dukascopy TV. Remember, money can take care of you. It cannot take care of itself.